Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaibhav Chaudhary from Mathura.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chirag Gujar from Dara. Today we are going to do conversation about India versus Pakistan match. Let's start. Vaibhav, will you watch India versus Pakistan match tonight?
Of course, I have been waiting for the whole week. India looking strong, didn't you think?
Yeah, their batting lineup on fire, but Pakistan bowlers are tricky.
True that, but I think Kohli will chase the whole match because he has been practicing hard.
Yeah, Kohli will play good, so we have chance to win. Did you? What will be final score?
I think so India will win by 30-20 run and you?
I think so, maybe closer 5 to 10 run.
I can't wait tonight.
Me too. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Please like, subscribe and share this channel.